Dear students, welcome to 10th class biology. So we were discussing the chapter reproduction in plants and animals. Till now we have covered reproduction in plants. Okay. So last class we discussed about pollination and fertilization and what are the steps of fertilization in plants. Now we are going to study reproduction in human. So human, they perform sexual reproduction. You know what is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction, which means male gamete and female gamete, they fuse or they fertilize and they form diploid zygote. So human, they perform sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? Fusion of male gamete, this is male gamete, and this is egg or female gamete. Fusion of male gamete and female gamete, that means fertilization, and which become diploid zygote. Okay, and this zygote which undergo again divisions, which form embryo, and embryo again and develop into fetus and finally a complete organism. Okay, so that is fertilization. In sexual reproduction, both male gametes, female gametes, they are involved. Okay, and in human, this reproductive system, human reproductive system, mainly consists of reproductive organs, primary sex organs or primary reproductive organs, and secondary or accessory reproductive organs. Accessory sex organs. Okay, so human reproductive system consists of primary sex organ and accessory or secondary sex organ. So what is primary sex organ? Primary sex organ is gonad. Primary sex organ, it is gonad. They are gonads. So in male, the primary sex organ, it is testis, or in female, the primary sex organ is ovary. Okay, and secondary sex organ or accessory organ. Accessory sex organs in male are prostate gland, vas deferens, epididymis, and seminal vesicles. Okay, these are the secondary or accessory sex organs present in male. And in female, what are the accessory sex organs? First of all, fallopian tube, uterus, and cervix, and vagina. Here one more, penis. Okay, so in male, these are the accessory sex organs: prostate gland, vas deferens, epididymis, seminal vesicles, and penis. In female, the accessory sex organs are fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, and vagina. These accessory sex organs in male and female, which helps in process of ovulation. Ovulation means production of egg, and also fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete, and division of the fertilized egg to develop into embryo, then finally complete organism. These accessory sex organs which are helping process of ovulation, that means making production of eggs, and also fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and a female gamete, and also division of this fertilized egg to form embryo, and also in pregnancy, and finally childbirth. These all accessory sex organs are involved. Okay, so human reproductive system consists of primary reproductive organ or primary sex organ and secondary or accessory sex organ. Next we are going to study what are the detailed structure of male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So next we are going to discuss male reproductive system. So my question is, what is the male reproductive organ, or what is a male sex organ? Testis. Okay, so this testis, which is found outside the abdominal cavity in a sac-like structure called scrotum. Suppose this is scrotum, inside this scrotum testis is found. This is scrotum. Okay, so testis, which is a male reproductive organ, which is found outside the abdominal cavity in a sac-like structure, that is called scrotum. Then this testis, which is covered by a fibrous tissue layer, that is called tunica albuginea. Testis is covered by a fibrous tissue layer called tunica albuginea, and this tunica albuginea, from this tunica albuginea several septa are formed, and which form pyramidal lobule, meaning pyramidal lobules are formed. Okay, so tunica albuginea, from this tunica albuginea pyramidal lobules are formed. On these pyramidal lobules, these parts of the testis are formed: seminiferous tubule, Sertoli cells and Leydig cells. These seminiferous tubule, Sertoli cells and Leydig cells, they are found on the pyramidal lobules. So what is seminiferous tubule? This is present on the pyramidal lobule. They lie on the pyramidal tubule, which performs spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, what is meaning? What is meant by spermatogenesis? It is mean formation of sperms. Okay, spermatogenesis, production or formation of sperms. So seminiferous tubule, they are involved in formation of or development of sperms. That is called spermatogenesis. Then Sertoli cells, they are involved, they are supportive cells, and these Sertoli cells, they provide nutrients for developing embryos. Okay, that is the function of Sertoli cell. Then after Leydig cells, they are also present on the pyramidal lobules. These Leydig cells, they are involved, they produce the hormone called, male sex hormone called testosterone. This testosterone hormone, which helps in spermatogenesis, it induces spermatogenesis. So this is the complete structure of male reproductive system, very easy to study. So first of all, the testis, which is found outside the abdominal cavity in a sac-like structure called scrotum, and this testis is covered by a layer of fibrous tissue, that is called tunica albuginea. From this tunica albuginea, pyramidal lobules are formed, and these pyramidal lobules consist of seminiferous tubule, which helps in spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperms, male gametes, and Sertoli cells, which are supportive cells. They give nutrients for developing embryo. Then the Leydig cells, they produce testosterone, and this testosterone induces spermatogenesis. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about female reproductive system. So female reproductive organ, which is called ovary. Male reproductive organ is called testis, which is found outside the abdominal cavity, and which is something oval in shape and found in a scrotum. But female reproductive organ, which is found lower abdomen, on either side of lower abdomen, and which is something almond shape. Okay, so this is a picture of ovary. So this ovary, which consists of outer cortex, ovary which is divided into outer cortex and a inner medulla. Outer cortex and inner medulla. Okay, This outer cortex is made up of a network of connective tissue. That connective tissue is called stroma. Outer cortex is made up of a connective tissue called stroma. Okay, and this outer cortex, which is lined by a epithelium, that is called germinal epithelium. Outer cortex of the ovary, which is lined by germinal epithelium, and from this germinal epithelium granulosa cells are formed. They form epithelial cells called granulosa cells. Okay, so outer cortex, which is a connective, which is consists of a compact network, connected network of connective tissue called stroma, and this outer cortex is lined by germinal epithelium, and from this germinal epithelium granulosa cells are formed, and these granulosa cells which surround the ovum and form primary follicle. So this is our primary follicle, which is surrounded by granulosa cells, and this primary follicle which grows and finally become mature Graafian follicle. So this is mature Graafian follicle, and which are filled with fluid. Okay, and a newborn female child which already make up in their body already produce millions of primary follicles. Okay, but at the time of puberty it will be like around 70,000 or 60,000. But this primary follicle in their lifetime, this primary follicle that develop and mature and forms around only release outside the body as egg, it is number around 400 to 500. So from millions of primary follicles, only 400 to 500 mature primary follicle which become egg or ovum. Okay, so in a woman lifetime they releases only 500 egg, but actually they produces millions of primary follicles. These primary follicles, stepwise steps, they produce ovum. Okay, but in their lifetime what happens? Primary follicles are produced in million number, but only 400 to 500 ovums are released from their body. That is the difference. But in case of man, they can produce millions of sperms in their lifetime. So this is about female reproductive organ, ovary.